So let's just take a look here at traces. So here I've drilled into a trace, and the way you can think of a trace is just it's a way of grouping all your segments together, and they're all started from a single request. So that first request is triggered, and then the idea is we need to keep track of its path through all these segments and services. So that's why we have a trace ID. And the idea is when that trace ID is generated from the first service that it interacts with, it's going to generate that ID, and that's going to get passed along through all this stuff. And that's what helps build out this that like graph down below that tells us all that information. So we're going to talk about trace IDs a bit more, but we're going to first talk more about sampling, because not every trace that happens here is actually recorded. So that confused me a lot when I first started using X-Ray, where I was triggering stuff and I was expecting to see every single thing that I triggered recorded, and that's not the case.